Afternoon, everyone. I hope everyone is doing good and very fine. Here is my items from Zara Home Design, and I love the look and these patterns all mixed together. Make always your home beautiful, because your home is the place the most beautiful always, and make comfortable and to feel good with your family, with your kids, and even if for you alone, you must be very comfortable in your home and in your everything in your life the most. Here is my Audrey. Love this look, and very glam chic. And now I have to see here to make another things what I love, and designing and cleaning and everything. Stay in love and be good, and don't forget, keep trusting yourself, because yourself is the most beautiful thing in the world. And don't let anyone to disturb your inside and your everything. Just be you always, because it's better like to be one copy. How is in my life to many to how trying to be like me, but they don't get the look, because the look is not for everyone. So have a nice day, everyone, and we see you later. Bye.